Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Drifter5305 coming to you live with my Traxxas. I am going to actually live up to my name today. I'm going to drift my Traxxas around in those rocks. Hi, rocks. So I'm going to, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I need both my hands to control the truck. I'm going to do this like that. Hopefully you guys can see. Hope you like it, YouTube. I am running out of battery on both my Kindle and my truck, so see you for now.